Visit photop.com. Photop.com is like an online alternative of Photoshop. And before you visit here, there's a text effect that you need to download. I'll show you the name of the text effect. It's free. It's on FreePic. Once you download it, you can go ahead and use it. The name of the text is Happy Mother's Day Editable Text Effects from FreePic. Of course, I also put the link. So once you come on Photop, you click on Open from Computer here, and then it will bring out, you select that text effect or any text effect at all that you want to bring into your design space, be it a gold text effect, whatever. PSD text effects are everywhere. You just open that up and open photop.com. You download it rather, open Photop. Usually it takes a while, but make sure that your internet connection is very strong. Then click on Open from Computer, select the text effect and wait for it to load. If your phone RAM is not good or big enough, your phone processor is not good enough, this would take a long time. In fact, it can actually cause your phone to genuinely lag and lag very well. So you can see it's already taking a lot of time. Alright, so if you are used to Photoshop, you observe that everything that is here is the way Photoshop is. This is an online alternative to Photoshop that works on mobile, on PC, anywhere, as long as there's an internet connection and your RAM is strong enough. So the text effect has opened, and most times, if not every time, it opens two pages. Let's call it 2 pages, 2 projects. Now, one of the projects is a dummy project. There's nothing you can do inside. And how do you know that? You click on this layer panel here, the layer panel. That is it there. So just click there, and if you see the layer, the page on which all of these things are on, that is the main one. So we've seen that it is this one. Then that means we'll just delete this other one. We'll just press the X that is here and delete it, because that one is a dummy project. Now
you want to continue watching the video and you have not subscribed, my brother, subscribe. My brother, subscribe. You will not. Okay, now you want to watch tutorial, you have not subscribe. Does it take anything? Have you subscribed? Okay, subscribe now. See if
preserve this one that has all of these layers. Now notice all these layers are named. For example, text is named now, and you see this I too. It tells you which layer do you want to show, which layer do you want to hide, which layer do you want to reveal. So anyone at all you want to hide, just click on the I that is beside it. Make sure your phone RAM is strong enough to carry this. So let's say we want to hide text. Let's just hide text. Okay, so it's taking a bit of time, but it's going to hide eventually. Just Photop has a way of, Photop can be really frustrating. Like when I say frustrating, I mean really frustrating. In fact, if I have heavy text effects to edit on my phone, I make sure I clear my cache, I make sure I clear my internal storage, I make sure I have enough RAM, good enough. This phone is a 4 gig RAM Redmi phone, and yeah, it tries, but then it has limit. There are some text effects that it lags my phone completely. So you see the text that were here all over this place, they are no more there. Now what you want to do, or what I did, or what you want to do in fact for any PSD template, any text effect you are editing, is that once you click on the panels, the layer panels, you see that place where it was written double tap to edit. I'm trying to tap here, I don't know why it is not responding. That is Photop for you. So once you tap on your layers, this place where it is written your design here, that place, you double tap. If I zoom in, you'd see a small box, that very small box there. Double tap on it as quick as you can. Double tap, just double tap on it. You see it opens up a new workspace. Look at this. This is our first workspace, and this is the new workspace that's open. The new workspace carries that text that you want to edit. So what you want to do is to also double tap on this text that you want to edit. Now take note, there's a font that appeared. Okay, to know the font, if you, in case you want the original font of your text effect, to know the font, just tap on this TT that is here. That's for everything with fonts, both the font size and everything, and you can see the name of the font that was used, the Augusta. And if you want to maintain that font, you have to open another tab, make sure you download this particular font, and then import it into Photopea. Yes, that it can be stressful, but then in this case, let's not use the original font. So just double tap the text and write anything that you want to write. So let's say portal. I want to write portal, right? So just once you're done typing, click on the check mark here on top, and it should be fine. Okay, let's click on this arrow, the arrow, you see the arrow, the pointer tool or whatever it is called, and then we can drag our text to the center. If your text is aligned very well, those red lines, they will align well. Now let's go to text and change our font. So let's use Montserrat. That's like one of the most popular fonts everybody uses. Some fonts are inside of here by default. All right, so we're using the default fonts, and then we don't want the regular, we want like the black. Okay, so yeah, it takes a while for some things to take effect in this place. So you see there's black, the spaces in between the letters are too much. That is what tracking is all about. This tracking you see there, that is what it is all about. So I'm going to go to tracking, and I'll make it to .50, and then click the arrow. Okay, the letters are going to, you see, each came closer together. So once you're editing that is here, if you want it to be in uppercase, put it in uppercase. Make sure you do all your editing here. Make sure it is also centralized, even though that is not like a must, but it will make the work easier for you later on. Make sure it is centralized. Then you want to file right up here, file. Once you're done, click on file, and then click on save smart object. It's going to say saving smart object. If you look, takes a while. Like I told you, not Pixellab now, Photopea takes a lot of patience. So you see it has written smart object updated, but usually I've found out by experience, if you just wait, don't rush to go and check it, just wait a little bit, then after a few minutes or seconds rather, you can now click on the previous workspace that you had. I don't know what it's called, is it page? Just click on it. You see, even now it's still wasting time to show it to me, so just be patient with Photopea. Once you click one thing and you're sure you clicked it, don't over click, just wait, especially if your phone RAM is struggling. So yeah, did we click it that first time? I think we did, so let's just wait, let's just be patient. Should I click it again? Let me click it again. I'm sure we clicked it the first time, so this is the second time we're clicking it. Let's just wait. You can see that if you return back to the original workspace, it has updated the text effect. Now all you want to do to save your text effect is to go back to the layer panel of this your main workspace, and then hide everything else apart from the design. Not really everything else per se, but you want to hide the background, you want to hide additional information, you want to hide you want to hide the background so that it will be a PNG, and I think basically those are the main two. So let's hide, click the eye icon, and also click the eye icon. Like I said, Photopea takes a lot of patience, a whole lot of patience. So you just wait. Oh my god, why is there no internet connection? I just noticed something went off with my internet connection. So we've succeeded in hiding the background. As you can see, the eye is unchecked. Succeeded in hiding this. That was all we needed to hide. So just click the layer tool, the not the layer tool now, the layer panel again, just to cross check and oversee. Be sure that everything that needs to be hidden has been hidden. I have a feeling we're supposed to also hide this edition, this one that is blue. I have a feeling we're supposed to hide it, but what happened? The background did not go. Oh my god, the background did not go. So let's click it again. Gone. And we are pretty sure, at least to the best of my knowledge, that every other thing we don't want has been taken away. Like I said, I have a feeling we should remove this edition, but just so that we don't take our time anymore, let's just leave it. But make sure you cross check yours very well. So a good tip would be, let the background be the last thing that you remove every other thing and see how it affects the text effect. Then after you show everything has gone, you can now remove the background as the last thing. Then now, to save the final effect, go to File up here, click on File, and then click on Export As, and then click, of course, on PNG because you want it as a transparent image. Then it's going to bring up a menu. Make sure you don't have any ad blockers on your browser when you're using Photopea. If not, after suffering to edit everything, it will tell you that it cannot save. So you can rename the text effect, or you can save it the way it is. Anything you want, you can do at this point. So let's just test, and we're good to go. So you can just click on save. The text effect is going to download automatically after you click on save. The download should start right about now. Yes, downloading file. You can now go back to your design software, Pixellab. Text effect as a normal PNG transparent image without a background, and you can use it. So like I said, Photopea requires a whole lot of patience, and that is how I was able to do these text effects on this design. And that is how you can actually be able to edit any PSD text effect at all using your smartphone. So like I said, the link to the text effect will be in the description box below. You can download it, and at this point, you should be subscribed already, because you don't want to miss out on all the amazing tutorials that will be coming up on this channel. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, please like this video, and yes, it's okay to share the link to your friends, and yes, it's also okay to leave a comment and tell me what kind of tutorial I should create next. With that being said, my name is Onyedika Israel, and this was the Portal of Value. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.